Ratio problems involving fractions. A rectangle has a perimeter of 10.5 inches, and its aspect ratio, the ratio of its length to its width, is 1 to 5. Find the lengths of the two different sides. So, first I want to figure out how many parts does the rectangle have. So I basically add the ratio of 1 to 5 twice. So 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5, which is going to give me a total of 12 parts in the rectangle. So we have 10.5 inches divided by 12 parts. Now I want to convert this 10.5 into a fraction to make things easier. So this is going to be 21 over 2 and divided by 12 over 1. Now we can flip this over to 1 over 12, so it's going to be 21 over 2 times 1 over 12. So 21 times 1 is 21, and 2 times 12 is 24. So we have 21 over 24, but this can be reduced to we can divide on both sides by 3. So 21 divided by 3 is 7, and 24 divided by 3 is 8. So now we have 7 over 8. To figure out the short side of the rectangle, is the aspect part is 1, so for the short side would be 1 times 7 over 8, which is just going to give us 7 over 8. So this is the short side of the rectangle. Now for the long side, we just basically multiply 5 times 7 over 8. So 35 over 8 would be the answer, but we could change this to a mixed number. So we basically do is 35 divided by 8. So 8 goes into 35 4 times. 8 times 4 is 32. 35 minus 32 is 3. So we have a remainder of 3. So so our denominator would be 8, and then 3 would be our whole number, and we have a remainder. My mistake. Our whole number would be 4. Our denominator would be 8, and our remainder would be 3. So you put that in the numerator. So our final answer for the long side, of the rectangle, would be 4 and 3 over 8 inches. So this is the answer to the short side, and this is the answer to the long side. So we found the lengths of the two different sides. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here